Question number 1. Which of the following is not a function of cytoskeleton? The correct answer is option C, protein synthesis. Question number 2. Which molecule carries amino acids to ribosome during protein synthesis? The correct answer is option C, transfer RNA. Question number 3. Which process converts glucose into pyruvate? The correct answer is option B, glycolysis. Question number 4. What is the primary function of the Calvin cycle? The correct answer is option C, to fix carbon dioxide. Question number 5. Which of the following is a non-membranous organelle? The correct answer is option B, ribosome. Question number 6. In which phase of mitosis do chromosome line of cell's equator? The correct answer is option B, metaphase. Question number 7. Which type of cell junction allows for the direct communication between cells? The correct answer is option C, gap junction. Question number 8. What is the main purpose of meiosis? The correct answer is option B, genetic variation. Question number 9. Which of the following is the site of ATP production in cells? The correct answer is option C, mitochondria. Question number 10. Which biomolecule is primarily responsible for storing genetic information? The correct answer is option D, nucleic acid. Question number 11. What is the term for the programmed death of a cell? The correct answer is option B, apoptosis. Question number 12. Which enzyme is curricular for DNA reflection? The correct answer is option D, DNA polymers. Question number 13. In which organelle does photosynthesis take place? The correct answer is option B, chloroplast. Question number 14. What type of bond holds the two strands of DNA together? The correct answer is option C, hydrogen bonds. Question number 15. Which process is used by cells to engulf large particles? The correct answer is option B, endocytosis. Question number 16. What is the main function of ribosomes? The correct answer is option D, DNA reflection. Question number 17. Which phase of the cell cycle is associated with DNA synthesis? The correct answer is option D, M phase. Question number 18. Which of the following is a monosaccharide? The correct answer is option D, maltose. Question number 19. Which cellular process result in the formation of two identical daughter cells? The correct answer is option D, phosphorylation. Question number 20. What is the main role of hemoglobin in the blood? The correct answer is option B, clotting blood. Question number 21. Which part of the brain is responsible for coordinating muscle movement? The correct answer is option B, cerebellum. Question number 22. Which hormone regulates blood sugar levels. The correct answer is option B, insulin. Question number 23. Which type of RNA carries the genetic code from DNA to the ribosomes? The correct answer is option A, messenger RNA. Question number 24. What is the basic unit of life? The correct answer is option C, cell. Question number 25. Which structure is found in plant cell but not animal cells? The correct answer is option B, cell wall. Question number 26. Which of the following processes is anaerobic? The correct answer is option B, glycolysis. Question number 27. What is the term for the movement of water across a semi-permeable membrane? The correct answer is option B, osmosis. Question number 28. What is the genetic makeup of an individual called? The correct answer is option B, genotype. Question number 29. Which organ is primarily responsible for detoxification in the body? The correct answer is option C, liver. Question number 30. Which vitamin is produced when the skin is exposed to sunlight? The correct answer is option D, vitamin D.